Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are well. So today we're doing a Photos of Strangers video with the Canon EOS R. We're going to be here in Paso de Gracia. I'm actually on my way to a photo shoot, so I'm going to be walking down this way to Gothic. So let's see who we can find. Hey guys, you doing? I'm taking pictures of strangers here when I like their style, and I love you guys. Look, if you wanted a portrait. First ones of the day.
Nothing for me. Sorry.
No, really. I can show you guys if you want. Where are you guys from?
Belgium.
Oh, okay, nice. Like this.
Oh, that's very nice. I love it. Super. Oh, yes.
If you guys want, I mean, if you can try it if you like it. You can keep it. If not, I don't have to post it.
Okay, we can try.
And see, like, if you like it, then. But seriously, you guys look really cool.
Oh, thank you.
So.
We can try it. Yeah, we're gonna try it.
Perfect.
She looks really photogenic. You are too.
Yes, and your hair is super cool as well.
Thank you very much.
Are you guys just here for a holiday?
Yes.
Nice. We'll do it now. Actually, I want to do it here in the street. So while this is red, we'll just wait for this car to go past. And then, perfect. Stay there. Nice. Looking up this way a little bit. Yes, awesome. Yes, dog. And when the light changes, we'll get in there. Let me show you anywhere we have some now. And wait, look at these.
That's so
Damn,
cute.
that's so nice. Okay, those were like the warm-up shots. Okay, so just standing there. Perfect. Stay there. Yes, love it. Oh, maybe a little bit back. Tiny bit, or a little bit to the side. Oh, even a little bit more? Yeah. Perfect.
Guys, I'm just gonna...
The song.
I love it.
See, you know, with the song.
Really?
See?
I really like it.
When they leave, we'll like get right in the middle again. Boom, okay. Oh, perfect. Just stay like that, looking straight ahead here. And one hand like that on your hip. Perfect. See that? Looking in the camera.
Oh, amazing. Love it. Wow. Oh. I really love it.
And these haven't even been edited. Okay, awesome, your turn. Yeah.
Let's go.
Like, get in there.
And what's your name?
Brad.
Emma, nice to meet you.
Emma?
Yeah.
And yours?
Malaika.
Malika. Yeah, keep your hand like that. It looks super nice. Perfect. See that?
Yes.
Awesome. Stay there. Yes, head back a little bit again and look in this way.
Amazing.
Perfect. Stay there. And let's do some here, just a little bit closer to the car. Oh yes, the sounds. See that?
Amazing. Oh. Love it.
Yes, that's cool.
Magnifique, yes. Love it.
And this one.
Amazing.
Perfect. Just like that. We have a little team in the back. Check this out. Oh, that's a winner. Like, that's so cool.
It was lovely to meet you.
Yes, you guys too. Have a good day. And the photos are going to be amazing. So I'm a photographer and I take photos of strangers when I like their style. If you guys wanted a portrait, I can show you guys. You guys look really cool.
Can we like take pictures together?
Yeah. And after, I'll send you guys the picture as well. I'll send you the picture. Where are you guys from?
Oh, we're from China.
Oh, I know a little bit. Well, 你今天过得好吗? Where are you guys from?
Like near to Shanghai.
Oh, okay, cool. We'll take some now here in the street and I'll get it with you guys standing here in the middle. Now, while it's... Yes, guys, so stand together. Say stand together, guys. Walking towards me a bit. Walking. Yes, perfect. Nice, stay there. Also, yeah, do that again, like looking down. Yes, perfect. And now move around a bit. Yes, perfect, stay there. With the sun.
Yeah, it's good.
So nice. Love it. Let's go actually just behind this. Perfect. Stay there. Oh yeah, put this up again. Perfect, perfect. Yes, do that again with the coat. It looks so nice. You like this? You just move your hair out there. Yeah. Okay, check this out. So cool, no?
Yeah.
And look at this with the light. Like, I love that. Yeah, it's like this.
My phone.
Oh, with the phone. Yeah, sure. Okay, all good. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's a new day. I just wanted to actually show you. Look at what a beautiful morning it is. I'm just doing a photo shoot here, so later on we're gonna finish the strangers because yesterday was crazy and I had to do a shoot as well. Like, people are just going crazy right now, booking like mad. Hola, perdona. Estoy sacando fotos de gente desconocida en la calle. Cuando me gusta su look, soy fotógrafo y me encanta tu estilo. Sí, si te gustaría una foto. Y también te lo paso también.
No soy fotogénica.
Eso es una mentira. Sí.
¿Dónde?
¿Sí?
Aguanta el bolso porque voy.
Sí, claro. Ah, me encanta. Sí, mirando por allá. Yeah, súper bonita. Ahí. Perfect. Oh, yes. Esta. La luz está súper chula. Ya sabes cómo posar, ¿no? Perfect, perfect. Yes, así. Ajá, una más por allá. Son buenísimos.
Tendrás que hacer mucho Photoshop.
No, pero mire estas. Pero y las primeras que hice son chulas, ¿no? Esta me encanta.
Sí. Vale. ¿De dónde eres?
Sí, Nueva Zelanda.
¿Sí?
Sí. Si quieres te las paso. También
No,
tienes
pásame.
Instagram o
Sí,
un
Instagram
correo.
tengo. Eso sí.
Ты русский знаешь?
Да.
Класс, я тоже говорю, да, по-русски тоже.
Да? Приятно.
Пока. Hola, perdón. Soy fotógrafo y saco fotos a gente en la calle cuando me gusta su estilo y me encantan vuestros looks.
Ah, muchas gracias.
Si queréis una foto y... ¿Sí? Enseño, sí. En serio, mola. Os enseño. Y las fotos.
¿A qué fotos más bonitas haces? Me encanta. Sí. Que ves maravilloso.
¿Sois una familia?
Sí, es mi madre.
Ah, entonces, wow. Y me encanta que es lo mismo. Color, está guay.
Es verdad, sí, vamos muy cortos. Sí.
Antes si quieres, juntas. Y después sacamos algunas aquí como retratos también. Yes, perfecto, ahí. Sí, me encanta. Aguanta. Mola. Y ahora como hablando juntas. Ah, sí, me encanta, sí. Ah, está guay. Ok, y ahora algunas solas también son chulas, mira.
Ya.
Mira, que ha salido muy bien.
Ah, mira,
a mí no me
la
gustan
luz.
las fotos.
Sí,
Mira
Mira
estas.
qué bonitas. ¿Esto? Y el...
Sí, está súper chula.
Sí.
Sí.
Qué guay. Busca que te voy a seguir.
Sí, Julio Brad, así. ¿Eso es aquí, Barcelona?
Sí,
Ella
de
es
aquí.
influencer.
Ah, ¿en serio?
Sí.
Y tengo un canal de...
Ahora.
Sí, moda hago.
Qué
Sí.
guay. Yes.
Muy eterna, claro, o sea, así...
Yes, me encanta. Mira, tenemos un equipo por aquí.
Mírame, y ahora muévete un poquito, así, o sea, como vas andando.
Yes, sí, guay, guay, guay. Y ahora la cámara.
Aquí, mamá. Y mira aquí,
Cuéntame, estás haciendo pasaje.
¿no? ¿Cuántas más buenas haces?
Gracias.
Pero
Van a salir
muy
súper
buenas.
guapas. Ok, perfect. Sí, sí, sí. Yes, me encanta. ¿Ah? Me encanta. Oh, yes. Está, sí, me encanta. ¿Otra vez? Ok, sí, giro.
¡Uy, qué guapa!
Mira estas.
¡Uy, qué guapa! Me encanta. Y están sin editar. Qué
Sin
chulas.
editar. Ajá. No, más así, cerca del cristal. Ok, y ponte así también. Sí, perfecto. Guay, un poquito más aquí.
Súper, la visión que
Me
tienes,
encanta.
me encanta.
Y esta, mira esta.
¡Uy, qué bonita!
Yes.
Uy, me la
Esto
estoy
es
haciendo
un...
pasar, ¿eh?
Claro.
Me encanta.
Ok.
Súper.
Ok. Y nos vemos en Instagram. Sí, os mando las fotos. Sí. Yes, gracias. Adiós. Chao.